Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to download and install Netflix in computer. So how to download and install Netflix in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the browser application on your computer. Now in the search section, type Netflix for PC. Now here there is Netflix download, and tap. Next tap, free download for Windows. Here it will enter the Microsoft Store in the browser. And tap download. Now here is the download process. After the download is complete, can be seen in download. Tap to install the Netflix application. Here a selection will appear. Tap Run. And then tap Install. Now here is the process of installing Netflix on our computer. Now here the installation of Netflix on our computer is complete. Just register or enter an account. The second way is how to download Netflix quickly. We go to the Windows search for the Microsoft Store. Well, here in the Microsoft Afternoon search section, type Netflix. Well, here it has appeared. Tap Netflix. Well, in the button section, open. Because I have installed it. If you haven't installed it, here it will appear. Download menu. So that's it, the tutorial how to download and install Netflix in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.